What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sulichi John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries, a mega love shout out mga ka-Jamiel. We are back for another Jamiel reaction para sa kanilang inaabangang performance sa Your Face Sounds Familiar. And this week, ay nako, real life couple ang gagayahin nila, which is KZ Tandingan and TJ Monterde. Yes, I'm so excited for this. Kasi di ba, yung mga duo or yung ginagaya nila sa Your Face Sounds Familiar, it's normally mga collaborated artists, and this one is a real live couple. So tingnan natin kung may kilig na ihahatid ang Jamiel for sure. At syempre, ano ba ang kanilang kakantahin? Walang iba kundi ang Palagi. Kaya naman excited tayo dyan. But before proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Here it is, guys. Oh my gosh! Oh my God, looks pa lang kamukha na. They never failed us. As expected. Oh my God! Oh, kamukha talaga ni Casey! At TJ naman ang hawi ng buhok ng JM. Oh my God, tignan nyo naman. The vocals of JM. Kuwang-kuha niya yung lambing na parang harana vibes like ni TJ Monterde at yung nuances ni KZ Tandingan for Mariel. Nag-video sync lang. Oh my God, grabe to. Kulit ni Mariel. Oh my God. You know what? Mariel always surprises week over week. Grabe, from Nicki Minaj to last week. Grabe, or last 2 weeks ago, I mean. Grabe yung transformation ni Mariel, and talagang inaaral niya Ariana Grande. Grabe yung mga vocals. At kudos to this amazing duo talaga. Sobrang galing. Balikan natin yun. Oh my God! Oh my God! Kuha niya, Mariel! Oh my God! Oh no, grabe. Casey, guys, if you close your eyes, that's KZ Tandingan there. Oh, Mariel, you're so good. Oh, that holding hand. Ooh, at saka yung mga tingin na ganyan eh. Oh my God, kuwang-kuha ni Mariel, guys. Balikan nga natin. Diba? Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Sorry guys, I'm so OA for today. Sabihin nyo lang OA, but I think this is the best performance so far. I know that it's all the best, but ito yung pinaka, na-hype ako kasi sobrang kuha ni Mariel, and the way that JM is singing it, very, yung timid harana vibes ni TJ, kuwang-kuha din. It's just that because the looks of Mariel, kuwang-kuha pati boses. Oh my God! This angle, guys, you see, the far angle, the wide angle, parang si TJ at si Casey talaga yung nasa stage. Sa pagdating ng ating Oh my God! Oh, ang galing ni Mariel! Napapailing na lang si Gary. Ooh, at yung tinginan na ganyan, guys. Grabe! You know what? Hindi ko nakikita yung Jamel. Nakikita ko TJ and KZ. And the vocals is so amazing. Kuwang-kuha, guys. Oh! What the fudge? Oh my God! Yung hinawakan kang ganyan. Naka, parang wala sa script yan, Mariel. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, wala yan sa script, ha? Tignan nyo naman ang mata ng Mariel. Uy! Yung nuances talaga. Oh my God, ang lapit nun, ha? Grabing sigaw ng mga ka-Jamiel. Tingnan mo, Ma'am si Carls pala ang judge for this week. Ang galing. Oh my gosh. Ah! Magkikiss ba? Charet. Oh my God. Ah! Oh my God! Nose to nose! Ang Jamiel! Oh my God! There you have it, guys. That is Jamiel for Palagi as KZ Tandingan and TJ Monterde. Oh my God, I'm so OA. Sabihin nyo nang maingay ako today. That's how I feel. I just want to express how I am so amazed with these amazing duo. Grabe talaga ang Jamiel. If they will not win Your Face Sounds Familiar this season, hindi ko na lang alam ang sasabihin ko. Because among all the performers, sobra yung dedication nila, sobra yung pag-aaral nila ng artist, and every week na meron silang performance, talagang nakikita mo yung effort and kuhang-kuha nila. It's always trending. It's always all over the internet kung paano nila nagagaya. Especially Mariel. Really surprised me so much. Sobrang galing niya pala kumuha ng ibang boses. Grabe yun, guys. Maybe that's the reason, that's why she's a pristine vocal. Kasi kaya niyang baguhin eh. Sobrang ganda. And that, yung mga nuances, kuhang-kuha. Do you agree, guys? Comment down below. Sabihin niyo sa akin ano experience nyo. Ganito rin ba yung reaction nyo while you're watching it? You can see the Jamiels in the fans area. Sobrang nagwawala din sila. And yung mga judges, napapailing na lang na parang, oh my God, this is such a treat from Jamiel. Kaya naman so proud of these two amazing music artists of the Philippines. Sobrang deserve nila ang kanilang success. And of course, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.